Sometimes when you play a game, it brings back something from your past. On the DI, we shuffle up some Dominoes and some good memories in today's door game, Dominoes by Al Lawrence of Sunrise Door Software. Note that the content rating for this game is G, but I'd hate to see the R version. In this game, you'll be using the double six dominoes to play. Once we get to the playfield, we are greeted with a great antsy domino which we start playing on. You select your domino from your hand by typing its value and then selecting if you wanted it to be played on the left or the right of the domino on the screen. This is a pretty well laid out game to play, and the controls were pretty straightforward, and it didn't take me long to play a round of bones. So kudos to Al Lawrence on his game of Dominoes. As I played this game, it brought me back to my early 20s when I used to work third shift and I began hanging out in the mornings at a local establishment called Breeding's Cigar Store. Breeding's was this little greasy spoon dive where a bunch of old men sat around and drank coffee, ate, and played dominoes all day long. All those old guys played the dominoes so much that it wore an X into the tops of all the tables. A friend of mine from high school worked there, and I found out that he ran a BBS called The Pit, and I began working with him as his co-sysop. So many great things and memories came out of that cigar store, but sadly it closed in 2005. This is one of the reasons on the Digital Infinity we like to bring you these old door games, as many of them have faded into the depths of our memories. So if you ruled the bones on your BBS and Dominoes, please tell us about it in the comments below. Thank you to Constructive Chaos BBS for hosting this game, and to BreedingCigarStore.net for keeping some old memories alive too. Stay logged in for the next game, but until then, Digital Infinity out.